Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, the 19th, and I'm still in Hollywood Beach. And yesterday I was talking to you guys about how much I liked my little boutique hotel right on the water. But I'm normally a resort type of guy. And so today I was invited to do a walk through Margaritaville, right on the boardwalk in Hollywood Beach. And so let's go inside. And here's the lobby. So this is about a mile and a half from the hotel I'm staying at, and I've been coming here every morning for coffee. Coffee shop's open to the public. I will be getting a tour of the spa later on once they open. I believe they open at 11 o'clock. And so I got a nice little day pass for the spa later on. I'll make sure I send videos of that. But here's really what Margaritaville is famous for. It's outside pool area. It's still very early, so the pool isn't open yet. So this is the Land Shark pool. Land Shark pool is kind of the common area. So everybody's invited here. It's mostly a lot of kids are here. They got a water slide. It's connected to the Land Shark Grill. And then they have another pool on this side, which is for adults only. A little more quiet. And so I'll get a little bit more video later when the whole area opens up. And I had a few margaritas. Morning. And Margaritaville, this is the back of Margaritaville. It opens up right onto the boardwalk. This area right here, all the beach services, this little shack, this all belongs to Margaritaville guests. And connected to the Margaritaville is a flow rider. Which of course is not open yet, it's still early. And then there's a little strip mall area back here. And right here is the Hollywood Beach Theater. There's performances going on all day. This big open space area here is for the crowd. if you want to lay your blanket down and watch the performance, you could do it on the fake grass over here. And a big giant chair. And this is the Land Shark Bar and Grill. They also have some performances that go on every day of the week. We're gonna go take a look at the view upstairs. It's still closed, but they have it open for me. They allow me to come upstairs. Shoot from this side. And this will give you a great view of the pool. Here's the back view of the flow rider. Can't beat the view. So that's your quick view of Margaritaville. Here's more of the mall area. And like I said, I'll be by later, weather permitting, and get some good video of the place when it's really rocking, and some video of the spa. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.